I'm all smooth. All of my appendages are smooth. I'm Skyler Bouchard, a food blogger and beauty enthusiast with a genuine curiosity for how the two go hand in hand. There's only one food I truly can't stand, and that's olives. Now, despite my disgust for them, I actually really love olive oil, which has health and beauty benefits that people swear by. Today, I'm going to the Red Door Salon and Spa to treat myself to an olive oil manicure, and then I'll be doing my very own olive oil pedicure at home. This is Treat Yourself with Skyler. The benefits of olive oil are abounding and have been around since ancient Greek times. In fact, olive oil is the cornerstone of the Mediterranean diet, a nutritional mainstay for the world's longest living cultures. It is rich in healthy monounsaturated fats and antioxidants, which help fight disease and reduce inflammation in the body. It's also believed to help prevent against strokes, osteoporosis, skin cancer, and even depression. Olive oil also has many benefits when applied topically to the skin. It's a go-to solution for eczema, a great earwax remedy, a genius shaving cream alternative, a moisturizing cuticle conditioner, and it's an easy way to clean dirty makeup brushes. So maybe I shouldn't be hating on olives that much.
You must be Skyler.
Hi, yes.
Awesome, I'm Isabel.
Nice to meet you.
You're here to get your olive oil manicure today.
I am. I'm so excited. My nails are so dry.
Okay, great. Well, I'm going to take you back to meet Keisha, who's going to be doing your nails. Hi, I'm Isabel. I'm the National Director of Retail at the Red Door Salon and Spa. Olive oil is very anti-aging, and that is definitely a specialty that we have here at the Red Door Spa, making sure that we are treating our bodies from head to toe, with the manicure being one of them. Our hands are the one place in our body that are going to give away our age. So we use olive oil in this manicure because it is going to help really replenish and hydrate and plump the skin on the hands. It's going to increase elasticity, and it's also going to help get rid of any of those dark spots that we have on the hands that are actually giving away our age.
Now the fun begins. So this is the sugar scrub that we apply on. It's going to give you moisture, helps get rid of dead skin cells, exfoliates.
So what's this part?
So this is an olive oil based massage cream. It helps plump and regenerate the skin.
I haven't felt my skin yet, but I can already tell by looking at it, it looks so smooth and soft.
The olive oil body mask is rich in vitamin E, and it's going to help enrich and condition the skin.
What are these bags of fun?
This is paraffin wax. So the paraffin is going to help infuse all the olive oil, the mask, and the cream into your skin and give you extra conditioning.
It's so fun. So is the olive oil mask going to really work its magic in these gloves?
Yes, you have your skin getting moisturized from all different points. So pull this on.
Oh my goodness.
So this is the olive oil satin body spray. It's our #1 seller in the spa. It has the highest concentration in olive oil. And it's the ultimate product for anti-aging, not just on your hands, but on your entire body.
Oh, wow. It reminds me of my cooking spray, but like
Better.
better.
And you're all set.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome, my pleasure.
I want to go like apply for hand modeling jobs, so okay, I'm gonna do that. I'm back and my hands feel so soft. They never feel like this, so this is really a treat. And what's really cool is that I can do this at home with something that's already been in my cupboard this whole time. I'm a New Yorker, so I'm always on my feet, and they really don't get the love they deserve. So I'm gonna do this olive oil pedicure and heel treatment, and hopefully they'll become prettier. Well, as pretty as feet can be. Welcome to my spa. Now don't blink, you might miss a step. For this olive oil pedicure scrub, you will need 1/2 cup of raw sugar, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla for scent. So the first step here is the sugar. You put it in a bowl. Now we're gonna measure our 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And our final step is the vanilla. And then you mix. You really don't need a lot of skill to make this scrub. Anyone can do it. You know what? Everything in this is edible. Okay, olive oil sugar is low-key delicious. I love this. All right, I think it's ready. I noticed when she put the olive oil scrub on my hands, my skin was so smooth, so I really wanna do that here. I'm putting it on my calluses and on my cuticles, which are so dry, so we can get that smooth skin. So now to really lock in that moisture, I'm gonna wrap my feet in plastic wrap and then put on my fuzzy socks. Though I still stand firm on my dislike for olives, I gotta give credit where credit is due to these bad boys. They have great effects on our skin and they do so many incredible things to our bodies. So thank you, you nasty little things. No, oh no, I don't, oh no, okay. Oh, that's so bad. Oh my God. Thank you so much. Thanks so much for watching this episode. I'll see you next time. Hey guys, let me know what you want to see next on Treat Yourself with Skyler in the comments below. Click here to subscribe to Food Network and click here to see more videos. Bye.